how to track your Shake Shack delivery online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to know exactly when your Shack order will arrive, well, in today's video, I'll show you how to track it online. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside, just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. Now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here, simply sign in with your account and once logged in, make sure that your delivery order is placed. And once you're done with it, you can just click on your profile icon and then select orders or order history to see your recent order. And there you simply have to find the delivery order you want to track and then click on track order. And once you do that, you'll see real-time updates including preparation status, estimated delivery time, and driver progress. And with that, just a pro tip is that you can enable browser notification or email alerts to get instant updates while your order is on the way. And that's it. Tracking your Shack delivery is easy. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.